Congratulations, you have just bought a house. And in this video, I am going to show you how you apply for your homestead here in Hillsborough County in Florida. All right. You are going to start out on the Hillsborough County Property Appraiser's website. That website is hcpafl.org. Again, it's hcpafl.org. And in the middle of the screen, it says e-filing, and you are going to click Homestead e-filing. This screen will also let you know the other things that you can file for in addition to your homestead, such as widows, disability service, portability, low income tax, senior citizen, etc. To begin your online homestead exemption application, you are going to click there. From that page, it is going to take you to a new tab window. If you already have an account, if you've owned a home in Hillsborough County before, you are able to log in. If not, it is going to require you to put in a username, which is your email, and create a password. It will then send you an email verifying your account. You click on that, and then you're going to get to this page here where you are going to start a form in Hillsborough, and then you are going to start a new application. This is going to take you through the 7 different pages of this. All of the questions in the asterisks are required to answer. So as you go through, you are going to put in your street address, owner's name, whatnot through there. And that is how it is done. Just a few easy steps to apply for your homestead exemption in Hillsborough County online. If the online application is not working for you or you do not want to do it online, you can also fill this out at your local tax collector's office. So you can either do it online and or go to your nearest local tax collector's office and you're able to apply there. Now keep in mind, whenever applying for homestead, you are assuming the past seller, the one that you just bought from, you're assuming their homestead status for this year, and you're applying it for the next year. So for example, this year in 2025, you bought your home, you will be applying for homestead in 2026. Now you have until March to be able to do this, but I say don't wait because life is busy and we forget things. So apply for the homestead as soon as you are able to, so you do not forget, because you do not want to miss out on this great tax benefit. As always, if there are any questions that we can help answer for you, or any real estate transactions we can assist you with, please let us know. Give us a like and subscribe for all things real estate. Ashley Guidus with the Guidus Home Team.